Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. Yes, today is Tuesday. Good morning. Hi.
And I still don't have.
Yes, and let's see what's the situation outside. Today is Independence Day. Yesterday is Independence Day of Peru. Happy Independence Day, Peru! Viva Peru! But today is the parade. Tingnan natin yung sitwasyon sa labas. Uy, marami ng tao. Ayun, tao guys, oh. Marami na sila. Marami na sila. We'll start there. Ano nga natin, be? Ako man mga tao, be. 7 to mga. Sa'yo pa. We're waiting, guys. So cold. Last year, it was sunny. This year, very cold. The weather this year, the climate this year is really different from last year. It was also winter, but the coldness, but it's different. It's different. And yesterday was the Independence Day. I was not able to vlog. We made, look at our barbecue, so cute. It's so cute. Sabi, dito lang. It's very fun. Ay! Alam ko pa yung linisin ngayon. Kasi, pa more. Ole, 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 ole. Peru.
Ole, 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 ole.
Le,
Le, le.
Peru. 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 You're a Peru. A Peru.
Mommy, I bet let's go racing. Peru.
We're gonna breakfast today, uy.
Mommy,
Egg
I
na
bet
lang, bread.
let's go racing Peru dog. Who got it?
Blessing. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
We're just chilling here.
Yeah, we're done with my father.
Let's prepare breakfast for today. Wait at the door, Uy, mag-aalas 9 na. It hasn't started yet. And I'm done preparing my pancakes. So, eat na, be! Let's eat na lang, uy, while waiting. Kain na lang tayo. Harap. Peru, Peru, Peru. There's no noise outside. We're still waiting for the parade to start. Let's look at the weather, guys. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. Not yet. Last 9 na. Anong oras tayo mag-start? Peru! 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 This is a Pero. And that's Peru. Pero? Peru. Pero? Peru. start now? Hmm? Re! 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 Ano ka guys, mag-start na! Augustinian priest, guys. Oh, naka-block silang lahat. They are waiting for the parade to start. Actually, we
Mommy, I
are
wanted
all
to put
waiting.
Lassie
It's already
song.
10.
I wanted to put the
Last year at this time,
No,
when
no,
it
because I'm
started,
gonna-
yeah.
Huh?
Last year at this time, the parade was on the way away.
Yeah. I guess 9.
But look at the other side, yeah, it's so crowded.
Yeah, that's why. It's even crowded than here. Look. A lot
Here
of
we are
people.
blessed.
But it's fogging there. Oh. Fog, fog, fog. The priests are out. The militaries are also starting to... Ah, that's police? Start na sila.
Military, they were different.
Seriously. Masaylo pa ko nila. He's sleeping.
I wanted to put his song.
I'm watching Rings of Power.
No, I said.
No, don't. She will wake up. Mangain tayo guys. While waiting. Salud. Saludos para nuestras men in uniform. We salute them. Very nice. Their parade. And very long. Not yet done. Mag 3 hours na. It's so amazing. And I'm so grateful that in our apartment we can see everybody. Ayan, let's eat na. You know what's my food, guys? My lunch. Our lunch for today is zaba, noodles, and bulad. Dried fish ka fish. Mangain tayo. Hala ka. Can you give her a spoon, please? Noodles is the best. The best there ever was. Lami ang noodles, guys. Ang sarap ng bulad.
Your food, wait.
The parade is not yet done. Not yet done, guys.
Yuki!
Parade is not yet done. The president is coming, guys. Nandiyan yung presidente. Tignan natin ano yung, let's see what's the reaction of the people. The president is about to pass and let's see what's the reaction of the people because last year, boo! Binu siya ng mga tao. Hindi siya nag-anuman. Hindi siya lumabas. Last year kasi lumabas siya, nag-hi siya, nag-ganon siya ba, nag-hi siya sa mga tao. Binu siya. Boo! Boo! So, this year, hindi siya lumabas. Alam nyo, mas maganda last year. Ang daming mga sayaw-sayaw. Ngayon, 2 lang ang sayaw. Okay, people are going. The parade is done, but look. Look what they did. Very dirty. Leaving the place very dirty. OMG. Where is the discipline? Wala.